Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Prince Poppy's vlog guys, or Prince Poppy. Okay. Andito ngayon tayo guys sa backyard kasi ang gagawin natin is papakita ko lang sa inyo ang drone shot ng aming area kasi nag-snow this past few days and I haven't done any winter vlog dito sa area namin para makita nyo lang kung gaano karami ang snow dito and how it looks like from above. Kaya gagamit tayo ng drone. Pero bago ko pakita yan sa inyo guys, I'm just going to show you this incident or situation that happened. Itong aming barbecue guys, itong sa nakapwestong barbecue namin. Actually, itong bubong na to, nagtatagal to ng I would say 5 years bago siya masira. Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, especially during fall season, nabubutas siya. And baka tanongin nyo, ba't nyo hindi tinatanggal ang bubong? It's just a hard job or hard to do na ilagay namin ang bubong, tatanggalin namin dahil mahangin, ito sa ibabalik na uli. So ang ginagawa namin, since itong yung lumang bubong namin, it stayed for 5 years, sabi namin, okay, palitan na lang natin and then we can change it after 5 years kung nag-wear and tear na siya. And for some reason guys, kabibili lang namin itong bubong just this year and look what happened. Pwede mabutas ang telon but not to the extent na yun bubong, or I would say na connected kasi siya, connected to siya sa bakal. And for some reason na itulak siya papunta doon sa sobrang lakas ng hangin guys. So what I'm going to do is I can still put this back. We can still salvage this. Ibabalik na lang namin yung bubong. I think we don't need to fix it. Bahala kung may butas. We'll just leave it like that. I think we just need to put new tools or tornilyo. Ay na lang gagawin ko. Pagka maganda-ganda ng weather guys, then we can fix it. Ako pati si Mrs. kasi I need someone to help me. So we're going to put the roof up and then we're just going to put some tools to secure it. At kung tatanungin nyo paano nangyari, I would just say na sa lakas ng hangin, yun lang. So, andito tayo ngayon sa backyard. Nakikita nyo naman ang snow. And we got some parts here that got melted already. Like, wala ng snow. Because of the heavy sunlight dito sa backyard namin. Kaya, mabilis din matunaw ang snow. And I got this shovel here. I use this shovel here, of course, to remove the snow. And I was telling my wife, okay, I'll just go to the backyard because I wanna clean the snow. And for some reason, since the sun's really heavy today, everything got melted, guys. And it's already springtime, kaya ganito, madaling matunaw ang snow. And it's just -2, guys. Ayan ang ating backyard na madami pa ring snow. And I remember when Christian was small, we used to slide there. Yan. We'll do the tobogganing. Mag-slide kami papunta dito. It's just a short sled, you know. Pero okay na guys. At least nakapag-slide siya. If you don't like to go to the park kasi sobrang lamig. And then dyan, pagka summertime, dyan kami nagduduyan. Okay? Kung matuloy yung Uncle Melvin ko sa Montreal, so what we can do, when they come here, we can chillax here. Dyan, we can chillax there. And then dyan, mag-barbecue tayo. Then, we also have a table here where we can sit and hang out, guys. Ayan. So, usually if we have guests and relatives coming here, this is the best spot to relax. Then I also got a hammock. We can put a hammock there and higa-higa. And I remember when my brother came here. When my brother came here with my nephew and nieces, they enjoyed the backyard. Barbecue lang kami dito, higa-higa lang, pikit-pikit, relax, play music, everything. Tawanan, kulitan. So it's really a good vacation when they came here all the way from New York, guys. So ayun guys, wala nang patumpik-tumpik. Kasi marami pa akong gagawin ngayon. I just came from my night shift. Nakatulog na tayo but we still got lots of things to do at home. So, baka magalit sa akin si Mrs. at may dapat din tayong gawin aside from vlogging, guys. So, I just got my DJI here. This is my camera to fly our drone. This is actually my cell phone, other cell phone, and this is the controller. So this is what I use to fly my drone. And the last time I used my DJI drone, this one, this drone that looks like a shark for me, was when I was in the Philippines when we went to Davao. Doon ko siya pinalipad sa Pearl Farm. So now, we'll see if I still know how to fly, but it will just be a quick footage, guys. Okay, papaliparin na natin, and then just for a few minutes. Kasi ayoko din to ilayo, guys, baka hindi na bumalik. Yeah, I know what to do so that it will come back, pero medyo takot pa tayo kasi I'm not really an expert sa drone flying, but I know how to fly, pero hindi tayo expert. Okay guys, napalipad na natin ang drone natin. I would say, medyo nakalimutan na natin magpalipad kasi hindi na tayo napalipad ng matagal. But I got some footages here that you would enjoy and kahit paano ma-witness nyo kung how it's like when the drone is up on the air guys. Nakaka-enjoy naman siya paliparin and at the same time nakaka-nervous kasi nga pag nakatingin ka sa cellphone parang feeling mo malayong malayo na yung drone mo at napakataas na niya guys, kaya medyo nakakatakot din magpalipad ng drone, but it's just a matter of practice and exposure sa different environment guys. Okay. And these are bida or our very important gadget sa ngayong araw guys. So ito ang ating drone shot of our area dito sa Edmonton guys, dito sa north side. So hope you would enjoy my short vlog. Until next time, maybe when we go to Canmore or we go to Banff or some areas with got lots of nature, then we can have more footages of our drone guys. Until next time, don't forget my blog, Prince Poppy's blog. Until next time, bye bye and peace out guys.